we're going to be talking about a very lovely topic, which is about sports around the world. Repeat after me. Sports around the world.
Sports around the world.
Sports around the world.
Sports around the world.
Good job. We have a lot of different kind of sports all around the world. Okay? People play sport, people love sport. Even in our country, we've got a lot of people that play different types of sport. Right?
Yes.
Good job. So today we're going to talk about those sports that are popular around the world. Okay, for example, number one, football.
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 Golf.
Golf.
Volleyball.
Volleyball.
Basketball.
Basketball.
Ice skating.
Ice skating.
Swimming.
Swimming.
Bikeway.
Bikeway.
Baseball.
Baseball.
Okay. Good job. So, among these sports, some people, or let's say some of you might like to do different types of sports. Okay, I need somebody who would like to come here and tell the whole class, okay, what kind of sports among these sports we've written on the board you like to play, okay, or you like to go doing. Anybody please? Lundi, come on. Lundi, can you come over here please? Yeah? So Lundi is a very lovely student and she likes different kinds of sport and she would like to talk about the sports she likes. Okay. Among these sports, or the sports you might know about, which sport do you like to do?
Ice skating.
Ice skating?
Yeah.
Okay.
Swimming.
Swimming?
Yeah.
That's it? Okay, can you tell the whole class, why do you like ice skating?
Because it's interesting.
Because it's interesting, yes?
And it's good for me.
It's good for you.
Yeah.
Excellent job. So ice skating is good for her and interesting. Fantastic. Good job. Thank you so much, everybody. Excellent job. Good job. Anybody else would like to talk about this sport? Yes, please. Okay, Sarah. Yes, come on, Sarah. Please take the cap off. Take it off. Thank you so much. Come to the board and introduce the sports you like to do for your friends. What kind of sports do you like to do?
I like football.
She likes playing football. Why do you like playing football?
Because it's very nice and interesting.
It's very interesting and good for your body.
Yeah.
Right? Good for your body. Once you play football, you never get sick. Right? And it will make you rich sometimes. All right?
Yeah.
Good job. Thank you so much. So she likes to play football. Yes, please. CR? Yeah? CR is going to talk about some sports he likes doing. Yes, please. Among these sports, what do you like to do? What do you like to play?
Basketball.
Basketball?
Yes.
Among all of them, you only like basketball
And volleyball.
and volleyball? Can you please tell the whole class, why do you like basketball?
Because it makes me longer and
Aha.
exciting.
Excellent. It makes you taller, right?
Yes.
So he says, playing basketball, it makes you taller. Why do you think it makes you taller?
Because you at the game, you jump.
Can you raise your voice, please? Because you
Really
jump a lot.
jump.
Yes, you jump a lot. Once you jump a lot, then you get taller. Good job. Fantastic. Excellent job. Thank you so much. Good job. Okay. Now, look at your books. Look at your books. Eyes on the books, please. Eyes on the books, please. Eyes on the books, please. Come on. Good job, everybody. Okay. Now, look at this photo. In the USA and Canada, people play different kinds of sport. Okay? In the USA and Canada, people play different kinds of sport. Fantastic. So we're going to listen and practice those sports that people play in the USA and Canada. Okay, everybody?
Okay.
Everybody pay attention. It's time for listening. 1, 2, 3.
Unit 10. What sports do you play?
Eyes on the book, please.
Page 64, Exercise 1. Snapshot. Sports seasons in the U.S. and Canada. Listen and practice. In the spring, people play golf.
In the spring,
In the spring.
in the spring,
In the spring.
people
People
play golf.
play golf.
Play soccer.
Play Play soccer.
play soccer,
Play soccer.
and play basketball.
And play basketball.
Fantastic. So in the USA and Canada, when it is spring, when the season is spring, people do not play or do not prefer to play other sports. They only prefer to play golf, soccer, and basketball. Okay? Try to remember this kind of information once you go to Canada or America. Okay? Fantastic. Let's keep listening, please. How about in the other seasons? That was about spring. Okay? In spring, they like to play these certain types of sports. How about in the summer? Let's see. Let's find out. Listen and practice, please.
In the summer, people play baseball.
In the summer, people play baseball.
In the summer,
In the summer,
in the summer,
in the summer,
people play baseball.
people play baseball.
People play baseball.
People play baseball.
Play volleyball
Play volleyball
and go swimming.
and go swimming.
They play volleyball.
They play volleyball.
They play baseball.
They play baseball
And they go swimming.
and they go swimming.
Fantastic. That was about summer. Okay? That was about summer. Let's go to the fall.
In the fall,
In
people
the
play
fall,
football
In the fall,
in the fall,
people play football.
people play football.
People play football.
People play football.
go bike riding,
Go bike riding.
They go bike riding.
They go bike riding
and go hiking.
and go hiking.
And go hiking.
And go hiking.
Fantastic, everybody. Let's go to the winter. Let's see what kind of sports do they play in winter. Okay? Yeah.
In the winter, people play hockey.
In the winter,
In the winter,
people
people
play hockey.
play hockey.
They go ice skating.
Go ice skating.
They go ice skating.
They go ice skating.
And they go snowboarding.
And they go snowboarding.
And they go snowboarding.
And they go snowboarding.
Okay. Now I would like to take some points and opinions from you guys. Okay, what kind of sports do you like? Who can come here, and I would like to ask that student some questions. Who would like to come here and answer me for some questions that is about sports? CR, yes please. Can you come over here? No, not CR, sorry. Yes please, no, Hasti. Hasti, try to bring a book. Try to have your book in your hand. And tell the whole class, okay? Tell the whole class. Look at the photos. Look at the photos. And what kind of sports do you like to have for yourself? And in which season do you like to play that sport?
In the summer, play volleyball.
So, in the summer, she likes playing volleyball. How about in the spring? What kind of sport do you like to play?
Play golf.
She likes to play golf. She likes to play golf in the spring. Fantastic. How about in the fall? What kind of sports do you like to play?
Go bike riding.
Go bike riding. So she likes going bike riding in the fall or autumn. How about in the winter?
Play hockey.
So do you like to play hockey?
Yes.
So in the winter, she likes to play hockey. Okay, everybody? Thank you so much. Go back to your seat, and I need a new student. Yes, please, Dad. Daring. Try to introduce your interest that you have about the sport to your peers, please. What kind of sport do you like to play in the spring?
In the basketball.
He likes to play basketball in the spring. How about in the winter?
In the winter,
Yes?
I like snowboard.
He likes snowboarding.
Yes.
He likes snowboarding. And how about in the fall?
In the fall,
Yeah? What kind of sport?
go hiking.
Go hiking. He likes to go hiking in the fall. How about in the winter?
In the winter,
Yeah?
I like go ice skate.
Okay, he likes to go ice skating in the winter. Okay, guys, these are the sports he likes doing under different seasons. Thank you so much. Go back to your seat, please. Okay, now, who can tell me the sports that are popular in Kurdistan. For example, we have football in Kurdistan, and how about other sports? Do you think we have golf in Kurdistan? Or let's say, do you think people play golf in Kurdistan? Do you think Kurdish people play volleyball? Do you think they play basketball? They go bike riding? Among these sports that are popular around the whole world, how about in our community? Which sport is more popular in your opinion? Yes, please.
People go to swimming.
Well, swimming is really popular in Kurdistan. I have a lot of friends, they usually go swimming. Swimming is a very interesting sport, and it's also useful for your own body, okay? Yes, please? Football is also popular. So football, swimming are among those popular sports that we have in Kurdistan. Yes, please?
And they are riding.
And bike riding, usually, okay, recently bike riding has become very popular and interesting. We have a very huge park that's known as the Hawari Shah Park, and I see every single day, I see people going there. They go there to go bike riding. It's a very actually useful and healthy sport, and I suggest that thing for all of you to go at least one time in a week. Okay, once in a week you need to do it because that's very important for your body if you want to stay healthy. Okay, good job. Yes, please. Basketball is also popular. Okay, good job. Yes, please. Come on, yeah.
Ice skating.
Ice skating. Do you think we have ice skating in Kurdistan?
Yeah.
We have ice skating, but it's not as popular as the other sports, right? Fantastic, everybody. Good job. So now we're going to listen to a conversation. We're going to listen to a conversation. They're going to talk about sports. What kind of sports do they like? So the conversation is about Lorna and Justin. Justin and Lorna are talking about those sports they like doing when they have free time. Okay? So everybody listen carefully, and then later on we're going to practice. Okay? 1, 2, 3.
Page 64, exercise
Listen
2.
and read, please.
Conversation.
Listen.
I love sports. Listen and practice.
So, Justin, what do you do in your free time?
Well, I love sports.
Really? What sports do you like?
My favorites are hockey, baseball, and soccer.
Wow, you're a really good athlete. When do you play all these sports?
Oh, I don't play these sports.
What do you mean?
I just watch them on TV.
Good job. So they just watched sports on TV. Okay, guys, we're going to listen one more time to know how these words are used and how these words are pronounced. Okay? Let's say to make our pronunciation better, let's listen again one more time, please.
Page 64, exercise 2. Conversation. I love sports. Listen and practice.
So, Justin, what do you do in your free time?
Well, I love sports.
Really? What sports do you like?
My favorites are hockey, baseball, and soccer.
Wow, you're a really good athlete. When do you play all these sports?
Oh, I don't play these sports.
What do you mean?
I just watch them on TV.
Okay, good job, Ray. Now this time you're going to listen to me and practice the conversation, okay? So, everybody repeat after me.
So,
Justin,
Justin,
what do you do in your free time?
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 Well, I love sports.
I love sports.
Really?
Really?
What sports do you like?
What sport do you like?
My favorites
My favorites
are hockey,
hockey,
baseball,
baseball,
and soccer.
soccer.
Wow.
Wow,
You are a really good athlete.
we are really good at it.
When do you play all these sports?
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 I don't play these sports.
I don't play these sports.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
I just watch them on TV.
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 Aha, okay, so Lauren and Justin were talking about sports and the types of sports some of them likes doing. Okay, everybody. Now I need someone to practice the conversation with Mr. Mario. Who would like to come here and practice the conversation with Mr. Mario? Okay, Savo, right? Savo, can you step over here and let's practice the conversation together, please? Everybody listen and pay attention, please, okay? You're going to learn from our conversation. Good job. You're going to be Lauren, I'm going to be Justin, okay? So the conversation is going to take place between us. Yes, please.
So, Justin, what do you do in your free time?
Well, I love sports.
Really? What sport do you like?
My favorites are hockey, baseball, and soccer.
Wow, you are a really good athlete. When do you play all these sports?
I don't play these sports.
What do you mean?
I just watch them on TV. Very good job. Thank you so much. That was a very nice conversation. Anybody else would like to come here? Yes, please. Masta. But Masta need to raise your voice, okay? Yes, please. Can you come over here, Masta? Yes. Come on, guys. And then we're going to do it together, okay? Fantastic. So you're going to be Lauren, I'm going to be Justin. Yes, please.
So, Justin, what do you do in your free time?
Well, I love sports.
Really, what sport do you like?
My favorites are hockey, baseball, and soccer.
Wow, you are really good alert.
When do you play?
When do you play out this sport?
I don't play these sports.
What do you mean?
I just watch them on TV. Fantastic, my dear. Good job. Now, I need two students who can come here and do the conversation. Nima, but Nima, you need to raise your voice. Nima and Sai. Please bring a book over here and let's start this conversation. And everybody is going to listen. Okay? Yes, please. Yeah. 1, 2, go.
So, Justin, what do you do in your free time? Well, I love sports. Really? What sport do you like?
My favorites are hockey, baseball, and soccer.
Wow, you are really good at that. When do you play all them sport?
Oh, I don't play these sports.
What do you mean?
I just watch them on TV.
Fantastic, Marty. Good job. Thank you so much. Now, you're going to do it together, okay? You two together? Yeah, together. Now it's time to do the conversation together. So now we have some basic questions, okay? Now we're done talking about different kind of sports, and we're also done talking about having a conversation about the sports that we love doing, okay? For now, we're going to go to the next page. Everybody go to the next page. Everybody go to the next page. We have a few basic questions, okay, that we need to use whenever we're asking about sports, okay? So, for those questions, we're going to listen and practice, okay? Everybody, let's go to the questions and listen and practice, please.
Page 65, Exercise 3, Grammar Focus. Simple present WH questions.
What sports do you play?
What sports do you play?
What sports do you play?
What sport do you play?
What sports do you play?
What sport do you play?
I play hockey and baseball.
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 Who do you play baseball with?
Who
I play with some friends from work.
With some friends from work.
I play with some friends from work.
I play with some friends from work.
Where do you play?
Where do you play?
Where do you play?
Where do you play?
We play at Hunter Park.
We play at Hunter Park.
How often do you practice?
How often do you practice?
We practice once.
We practice once.
When do you practice?
When do you practice?
We practice on Saturdays.
We practice on Saturdays.
What time do you start?
What time do you start?
We start at 10 o'clock.
We start at 10 o'clock.
So that was about, these are some basic questions you can use whenever you want to talk about all the kind of sports you want to talk about with your friends and with your parents and with your families. Okay, everybody? So that was all for today's lesson, and I'll see you tomorrow.